Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Something's wrong with my tail wing. Maybe it happened when I fell. I was hoping Jen could check it out.
Good idea.
No, you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road.
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, face.
Huh? Oh, sure. That's a very popular flavor. Huh? Whoa!
The best way to help animals live happily and in peace is by leaving them and their home.
Road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you lemon?
No. You don't know what you want. Luigi, know what you want.
Come on, Mac. You're in the slow lane. This is Lightning McQueen you're hauling here.
Just stopping off for a quick. come back. There will be no bumping, no cheating, no spitting, no biting, no road rage.
Oh, yeah, I see. I can use that energy for motivation, right?
Correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
Unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat.
Anyways, Rookie and Pat want us to report to the police if we see the criminal.
It's a conspiracy, man. The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us.
Take my highway. That's the highway. That's
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
That feel, Dusty? Feels great.
Back in the saddle again. Hey, Skipper.
Well, they didn't have.
What's that? There we go. Somebody's interrupting genius.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
I hereby dub thee.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
No, he's not so good looking.
Yeah, nice try.
I'm serious.
That's why I love you.
It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win, Francesco.
Trooper responded. Where's Mater? Right behind you. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
Encontramos a Chick Hicks. Ha perseguido el título toda su carrera.
Chick creyó que este era su año.
Fabulous. I've never seen
seen him race?
No, but I... It's so smooth.
Cross Harbour 7, you pass Foxtrot. Turn left onto Charlie. Hold short at 22.
Huh?
Hard. Break it loose. And just drive it with the throttle. Give it too much, you'll be out of the dirt.
No. You are not winning this.
You're angry!
I am not angry.
Close as I can. Your suit will transmit your speeds to Hamilton.
Fine, whatever. Let's do this.
I sold them.
To who?
No idea. He's my best customer, but he always does his business over.
Cantare con me, duda, duda. Macchinine con tante rotine, oh da duda.